What happened? I say,
You tuned in After 5. It's your boy Official Stefan.
and I'm bringing the bundles back, India Monet.
What's wrong with you, man? Didn't you say you was tired of school?
I'm tired. I'm tired.
Well, we got Thanksgiving break coming up. Didn't you say you want a week off?
Yes, we deserve a week off, just like these high school kids. Like,
Why?
my sister at home chilling. She ain't got no type of worries, but I'm here stressed. Okay, so since the school year is winding down, you know, we about to go on Thanksgiving break. We got the Christmas tree in the back. I came up with reasons why college students deserve a week-long Thanksgiving break, just like high school.
7 days. A week long?
The first reason, we go through too much stress. We got exams, we have jobs, we have extracurricular activities. We need the break. 2, we need to get away from this MSC food. We need our mama's home-cooked food every day. That's all we need, the week-long break.
Let me
3,
stop you.
What?
Stress level.
Yeah, we need to get away from the stress. That's number 3.
Bring it down.
And number 4, we don't go home every weekend. We don't go home after school like high school. So we need time with the family. This is a holiday, so we need a whole week off. So that's the reason why I feel like college students deserve a week-long Thanksgiving break.
So apparently during the Carolina Panthers and the Texas Titans game, Cam Newton dabbed after making a touchdown, and now it's going viral. All of the media, everybody is saying that he's promoting, I guess, hip-hop, which I see it as. So how do you feel about that when the news anchors be trying to learn how to dance?
I feel like people are very petty. They just be hating, like, I mean, if you scored a touchdown and did whatever for the team, why would you congratulate him? Why would you celebrate yourself?
Why take something so small and make it so big?
Right.
That's the problem with you guys these
Right,
days.
if a lady wrote a letter saying that it was offensive to her 5-year-old daughter or something like that, like, I just feel like that's really petty.
No, her 5-year-old daughter probably started doing the dance, probably killed it, and now she's mad because her 5-year-old daughter can dance.
Whatever. People be saucy for no reason. I'm gonna play this game real quick, so we just gonna play this game.
All right, so question number 1. What is the original name for pilgrims?
Original name?
The original name.
Original name. The original name of Pilgrims. Dang, I thought that was the original name. Pilgrims. What's the name?
Puritans.
Okay.
All right, question number 2.
I think I remember that from
Question number 2. What does the term cornucopia mean?
Ooh, cornucopia. That means something like corn on the cob.
Corn of plenty.
Ooh.
You know what the fake fruit? We got the fake fruit? Yeah.
That was half right.
Okay, that was almost right. All right, question number 3. Turkeys can drown if they look up in the rain. True or false?
True.
It's true, folks. That was in the game. Yeah.
You done asked me about Jamestown. You done asked me what year they settled.
These are good questions.
About how the white people came over and took all the Indians and killed them.
To my fellow Panthers, man, make sure y'all get y'all money in for the Honda Battle of the Bands when we go to Atlanta, man. First come, first serve. It's only 400 seats, so let's get y'all money in. Let's go. Hey! ATL.
Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Y'all know y'all like watching us, so make sure you tune in every week to After 5 with India Monet.
And Official Stefan.
Catch y'all next time.
Let's go.
They the realest.
DZ_EV.
Hey.
Let's follow that right.
Hey!
What's this alumni stuff? So y'all gotta take school serious.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where you from?
College Station.
Where you from? What you major in?
Mass communication.
Mass communications and marketing.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you, sir.